David, what are we getting ready to do?
We're getting ready to go racing.
It is Thursday night. We're going to Shadyside with...
And the temperature is going to be such that we will have no corrections to do.
That's right. I've actually wearing a flannel, so let's get this on the road.
Right.
All right, so this is the first time we've had this car here with the new intercooler, right, David? And the suspension. Yeah, what he said. So basically, this is going to be a really good test to see just how efficient this eurocompulsion intercooler is. Let's go over the mods so far. It's very basic. We have an air intake tube from eurocompulsion going from the air box to the turbo. We've got a
cold air system that actually works. Built it ourselves.
That David did. 373 gears in the rear end. It has the eurocompulsion intercooler, and that is it. We have a Cobb tuner on it.
Yeah.
That is marginable.
Basically, all we've done is take care of air temperature and flow on the turbo side.
Yeah.
And put a Cobb tuner on it.
That's it. So it's going to be very interesting to see how this thing goes.
And we are going a lot faster than we should do with just those few mods.
Hopefully we're going to go faster tonight. Howdy.
How you feel?
It's either going to go or it's going to spin, one or the two. I mean, it's about 66 degrees right now, so we shall see. Went 827. We matched Micah's best personal best. Not too shabby. Woo! That is what I'm talking about. Went 827, but it went 88.99 miles per hour, almost 89 miles an hour. This thing is scooting, so pretty dang impressive. All right, so I just ran an 827, and you're gonna go up and do a massive burnout, aren't you?
I'm gonna try.
Okay.
Right.
He's gonna put on a show so we can get a thumbnail for this video. That's what he's gonna do.
Have you told everyone we've done our fastest run?
Oh yeah, did that in the car.
Including wheel spin.
And it still went 827 at almost 89 miles an hour.
And the 60 foot wasn't that good.
No. Man, it brings back memories. Golly. If you'd known me when I was 15 up here, me and my Dustin.
2 Big Macs and a Coke, please.
Yeah, all right. I will. Bring us some back when you come back.
Oh. Have I got to pay for them?
Yeah. You want
Jesus.
to a nice ride.
You guys are, you're tough. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You gotta have something to say about that.
What?
What you ran.
I don't know what I ran. I haven't got my glasses on.
Let me roll that beam footage for you. 815 at 89.59 miles per hour. That's what we came to do, ain't it?
Something must have gone wrong.
Well, we'll take it.
I'll tell you what.
Well,
It feels
see, look,
faster than it
that's
did.
what happens when you're 100 pounds lighter.
If I had driven this, right, and I've done a lot of passes down the drag strip, I would have said, the way it felt, I should have been in the high 7s.
Really?
Yeah, at probably 92, 93 miles an hour. I mean, I can't believe how much faster it goes than it used to.
Oh, I know.
But
just
it
with the
don't-
intercooler.
And those things.
Yeah, traction.
But now, I got my burnout failed.
Oh yeah,
the
well,
most-
I'll make up for it.
The most traction
Yeah.
is in the burnout patch.
Oh yeah.
Right, because I got out, it went through first gear, all right, kind of, hit second gear, and then it gripped, and then it started spinning the wheels, and then it went into third gear.
Yeah.
So I go, we need
Pretty
an
dang
onboard
good.
data acquisition system.
Oh
Well,
yeah, when we can actually start data logging, that'll be very useful. David just laid a hurt to me. Becca thinks it's funny because he went faster than me. That's all right. I'm going to redeem myself.
we're up 11 miles an hour and down 1 second.
From where we started when the car was
Brand new,
100% bone stock.
Yep,
That intercooler, I cannot believe the difference.
right.
Greg at Eurocompulsion is going to be extremely happy with that.
It's the, right now I would say it's probably the ultimate intercooler for both road
Yeah.
racing and drag racing.
That, but on that particular run, it was heat soaked at the beginning of the run, and by the end of the run, it was already ambient temperature again. So you can't ask for much better now.
So everything's getting colder faster.
We just need better tires.
Yeah.
David wants a burnout. I'm going to give him a burnout. Went at 826. The car is running extremely good. It's about 66 degrees out here. I'm imagining the density altitude's around 1,400 feet, thereabouts. This intercooler is the biggest bang for the buck that we've done yet on this car. I mean, hands down. I mean, we're pushing 90 miles per hour. know about David, but I'm pretty dang stoked. I mean, it went at 8:15 tonight, 89.99 miles per hour. The Ecoboost is freaking awesome, which begs the question, for what all we have done to it, are you better off getting an Ecoboost instead of a Coyote Mustang? That's something I want you to leave in the comments, because you got cheaper insurance, cheaper car, but for the average folks that's just wanting to modify a few things, this is probably the way to go. So I'm going to round David up. He's over there talking to somebody, and we're going to head home. So until next time, this is Andy from Unity Motorsports Garage. We will catch you later.